Okay, buddy, let's get you in that seat. Maybe sometime we can go swimming before you go to preschool, little buddy. Perfect, now we should be ready to go. Oh, look at my little baby boy, growing up so fast. Okay, let's get you buckled. Can't forget about your toy, little buddy. Okay, sit tight. Here we are, buddy. You look tired. Oh, my little boy. Let's get you in the house now. Here we are, buddy. Maybe I should watch the news real fast. Okay, let's see where's the remote so we can watch the news real quick. Here we are.
Breaking news, Berry Avenue, us having a hurricane. Please stay indoors and not outdoors. There might be some power outages around Berry Avenue, so please go to the stores and get what you need, like flashlight and some batteries. Thank you. This is Berry Avenue News. Stay safe.
Well, it looks like we're getting a hurricane, buddy. We might need to go to the store, but don't worry, we're most likely safe. It's probably nothing. Don't worry, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. We're gonna be fine. Okay, buddy, we should probably go to the store so we can beat the rain. Even though nothing is going to happen, it's just always be ready. Okay, let's get to the car, buddy. There we go, strap you in there. Perfect. Don't worry, buddy, it's okay. We just need to get stuff just in case. And no, you can't chew on the buckle this time, buddy. Buddy, it's okay. It's okay. It's just raining and a little lightning. Don't worry. I really wonder how bad this is going to get. Okay, here we are, buddy. We gotta hurry.
Attention, attention, please hurry, store is soon closing due to a hurricane.
Wow, this must be serious. Let's hurry, buddy, quick! Where are those flashlights? There they are! Shh, it's okay, it's okay. We gotta hurry, buddy. Man, this is really bad. We gotta hurry. Okay, let's go, buddy, hurry. Man, this is getting bad. Finally, now we're in, buddy. Wow, this weather ain't bad.